Hello guys and welcome to Jenga na Mhoho segment with me Magi Muhoho. I know it's been long but finally we are here. This is just a little progress of what we've been doing lately. We've been doing interior decor bit by bit and we are doing it ourselves. So we had to look for a paint, a background, a backdrop for our art, because I really love arts. And for art, I mean masterpiece, not prints. Masterpiece. So I had to look for colors that are subtle and that will play as background for the arts. And it really turned out great. It really turned out great. Yeah. So we've been doing a DIY here and there, DIY here and there, just trying, and also commissioning artists. We are commissioning artists out there because we really love art, and then the interior decor will be doing it bit by bit. So stay tuned and enjoy.